There. Hey guys, for today's video we will see how a Prusik Hitch works. So as you can see, this is an endless loop, and I join the other two ends by a fisherman's knot. So we will ascend these metal plates 5 pounds, and there were 4 of them, all in all 20 pounds. We will ascend it with the assistance of the Prusik, and this is the main line. But first I will show you how to anchor a Prusik hitch. Okay, so let's put it over the bar. 1, 2, and 3 turns. There. Let's just have a dressing. Okay, there you go. So that's a Prusik looks like, and that's the back portion of it. Now we will transfer the Prusik hitch on this main line. One, 2, and 3. Okay. There. That's the Prusik, and this one we will anchor it on this bar. So I'll just do it with the club hitch. You can check also the description below for my other videos, and some of knot tyings are included, just like this club hitch, how to tie a club hitch. So we have now here the Prusik and the club hitch. So let's have attention on here, and little by little. See? The metal plates are not descending. Again. There. Again. There. Again. There. Okay, so the rationale behind is the higher the tension on this part, the tighter the Prusik holds the main line that resists the heavy load from descending. So if there's no tension in here, the Prusik cannot hold the main line, and so this load will descend. So let's try to remove the tension in here and let's see if this load will descend. Okay, now I will try to lift this up in this direction so that we will remove the tension in here. So little by little. There. As you can see, the load descended because the tension in here was removed. Again, there. There you go. So Prusik is very useful, especially when in rescue operations or the climbers usually uses this hitch. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell in order for you to be updated for the new videos.